Welcome to Brainfeed magazine. From this article, you will learn about the tourism industry which offers diverse career opportunities in the present day. Let's get started. Picture yourself standing in awe amidst the breathtaking beauty of the Lakshadweep Islands, just off the coast of Kerala. This vivid scene captures the magical essence of tourism, a world inviting us to discover and explore. But wait, there's more. Tourism isn't just about being a tourist and exploring new places, it's an enormous industry bursting with possibilities. It's about creating unforgettable memories that linger long after the journey ends, influencing economies, and opening up a world of diverse career opportunities for enthusiastic professionals. Getting into the tourism industry is like embarking on the ultimate adventure, offering opportunities for relaxation, exploration, cultural immersion, and financial returns. The tourism industry is a dynamic mosaic of sectors such as hospitality, transportation, attractions, and tour operations, each contributing its own unique flavor to the adventure. Opportunities. For those entranced by the magic of travel and cultural immersion, the world of tourism presents a wealth of thrilling career avenues. Becoming proficient in this field requires grasping the basics of tourism management, including understanding to manage destinations, customer service, etc. It involves overseeing various aspects of the tourism sector, such as destinations, attractions, accommodations, transportation, events, and activities of travelers and tourists. Essential skills. Studying the tourism industry not only offers good career prospects but also fosters essential skills crucial in today's interconnected world. Customer service, communication, cultural awareness, problem solving, and time management are essential skills that are needed in the tourism industry. High school students, like yourself, can independently explore tourism management by exploring various avenues such as online courses, internships, reading materials, and networking opportunities. Seeking internships or volunteer positions in tourism-related enterprises allows one to apply theoretical knowledge in real-world settings, honing practical skills essential for future employment and job opportunities. Whether pursuing a career in hospitality, tour guiding, or destination marketing, the possibilities within the tourism industry are endless, providing abundant opportunities for personal growth and professional development. That brings us to the end of this article. Here you learned, tourism is more than just travel, it's a vast industry offering diverse career paths and economic opportunities, from hospitality to transportation and attractions. Exploring the tourism sector requires understanding tourism management, customer service, cultural awareness, and other essential skills crucial in today's interconnected world. High school students can start exploring tourism management through online courses, internships, and networking, preparing for a future in this dynamic and rewarding field. We hope you liked this story. Stay tuned to Brainfeed TV, our YouTube channel.